are you doing?
The fairy.
What about it? I thought you were scared. Huh? You're scared? Yeah, why are you scared? Come here.
Okay.
You're scared?
No, I know.
You want the fairy to come? Hey, what's the fairy gonna come for?
Oh, take the bunnies away.
Take the bobies away? Are you ready to give them up?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No scoops now, Mommy.
What?
No scoops now.
You're not scared? You're ready to give away the bobies to the Bobby fairy?
Yeah.
Yeah? And what do you want?
Like a pink.
Pink what?
Pink one.
Bike. Because you're going to be a big girl?
Yeah.
You're a big girl?
You're big boat. Big bag.
Yeah.